welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're doing a very festive one. For the holiday season, I wanted to start off with a different scenery and very Christmassy holiday vibes going on. Put my onesie, or no, this is not a onesie, it's a poncho, a very festive poncho and a nice little headband I found and thought it would be cute to just put together and get very nice and creative. So if you're curious to see how we achieve this very nice green look, keep watching. I'm going to start with the eyes first, so priming my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. Grabbing my Rude Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This one is the City of Neon Lights. So I'm going in first with this very bright green right here, oh, right there, and then with the nice pointy eyeshadow brush. Using another eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be applying Neonland on pretty much all over the lid. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow, so this one on the corner called Bright Club, and I'm just going to apply it on the inner corners of my eye, but just a little bit, just to kind of give it a pop. Colors are giving like Grinch vibes, that green and yellow, you know. Moving in with lashes, I'm using the Ardell Faux Mink lashes. This one is in the style 817. Now with the face, I'm going to be priming my face with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Neutral Light. Now moving on with concealer, I'm using the Verse Serum Concealer, and this one's in the shade 1C. For bronzer and blush, I'm using Tower 28 bronzer in the shade Broad, and the blush is Pixie On The Glow blush. This one is in the shade, what's a pink one? It's Fleur? Yeah. To set my face, I'm using the L'Oreal Loose Setting Powder in the shade Light or Pink Light. Going back with the eyes with the first brush and the first shade we used, Neon Story, I'm just going to apply it on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. For brows, I'm using Moira's Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Now for lips, I'm going in with a lip liner, ColourPop's Lippy Pencil, and this one's in the shade BFF2. And for lip gloss, I'm using Maybelline's Lifter Gloss, and this one's in the shade Stone. And we have reached the end of the video with the final look. What do you guys think? Thank you guys for watching and sticking around till the end if you made it this far. And let's see what other looks we could come up with for this holiday season. Thank you again, and I'll see you on my next video.